What's going on, everyone? Happy Friday. Stan Durst, co-founder of the Map Doctors, and I'm going to give you 6 tips to help you increase your Google business profile. So if you have a company name, you're going to type it into Google. It should come up with this underneath if you own the listing, okay? Once you own the listing, the things I'm about to tell you will make a lot more sense. So if you own the listing, these are the 6 things. Fill out all the services and service areas, set up your messaging button, add 100 photos to your listing, get more reviews to your listing, respond to all of your reviews, and make sure to post updates 3 to 5 times per week. Fill out all services and service areas, set up messaging button, add 100 photos, get more reviews, respond to all of your reviews, make sure to post updates 3 to 5 times a week. If you do those 6 things, your Google business profile will start to grow and you'll start to receive more inquiries, more phone calls, more leads, more revenue, and all of that. And you'll have an improvement to what we call your digital front door. Because remember, every time someone searches you, this is what they see. This is your digital front door right here. So make sure you put your best foot forward. Have an awesome weekend. Talk soon. Bye for now.